So I'm doing a quick test with portrait video on both the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Which one of these phones do you think looks better? Is it the iPhone or the Galaxy? What do you guys think? Gonna be moving around so that you have a better look. So what do you think? Well, let me go to the cakes, to the ice cream cakes. You can't see them here because this is supposed to be portrait video. So what do you guys think?
To the left, okay?
Okay.
To the left.
Nice. Do something else. Nice. Wait, let me go this way, this way, this way.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Count three.
Nice.
Closer. Then
Dude, with the slippers.
worse. Chase my Adidas slippers. There's a snake in my foot.